In this video, I'll be showing you how to make a really cool color palette like this in Adobe Illustrator, and also show you how you can freely use it and change the colors in the palette. So stick around. There are two main ways to accomplish this. You can use the blend option or the edit colors option. For the blend option, you only need to have your starting color and your ending color. Go to Object, Blend option, make sure you have specified steps selected, put in the number of steps, and then for orientation, ensure it's aligned to path. Select both objects, go back to Object, go down to Blend, and select Make, and you will have this. The next option is for edit color, so you have to manually add in your shapes for the number of steps that you want. Once you've done that, highlight everything, go to Edit colors, blend horizontally, and you will get the same thing from both options. The difference though is that for the blend option, everything is grouped together here and you're unable to edit the colors afterwards. We don't want that since we want to be able to edit the colors on ours, so let's go ahead and delete that one. Then we're going to go ahead and duplicate our first row 2 times. And then for the last color in each row, we're going to adjust the saturation. So for the second row here, we want the saturation to be 50%. And for the last row, we want to change the saturation to 5%. Now select the entire second row, go to Edit colors, blend horizontally, and do the same thing for the last row. Edit colors, blend horizontally, and our palette is complete. Now you can go ahead and just use it however way you want to use it, because you have the full range of colors at your disposal now. One thing to note for this is that your U value must always be the same. We're only changing the saturation and the brightness for the colors. So your starting color, which is your darkest color, should be the same U value with a brightness of 5%. And then your last color should be the same U value with a brightness of 100% and a saturation also of 100%. So just always remember that, and you will be good to go to create your own palette like this and use in your own projects. Do remember to subscribe and leave a comment and let me know if you like this video and if you want to see more videos like this. Have a good day.